is your relationship to boundary? What I mean with that is, in how far can you tell other people around you when you need your boundary? Can you say easily no when it's no for you? Or in opposite, can you actually say yes also for those situations you really want to be a yes? Or it's getting messy and sometimes confusing. You want to say no, but you say yes, but you're not sure, or the other way around. Putting boundary is one of the most important topics for self-care. You can imagine what, especially if you belong to those people who cannot say easily yes, you probably have also difficulty with your self-care and taking care of yourself. While there's a lot of things to think about the topic, what are the situations when I cannot say no, and what I usually do when I don't say no, can I say easily what I want, or if not, what else what is my strategy, and how do I feel when someone doesn't understand that I need something and I cannot formulate it. All of these things, you can reflect about that in your journal and doing the mind work. Here we have an embodiment practice for that, so that you explore this topic for yourself and having the first impulses about what you could do with your body and with your embodiment. Are you ready? That's a short practice. However, I will invite you to take your time to feel the practice in your body. The first thing is, you just say out loud in your mother tongue, yes. And you keep repeating it out loud to yourself, and you notice at the same time what's happening in your body. What are you noticing? Yes. Yes. Bale. It's my mother tongue. Persian. Bale. Are. Keep continuing, keep going on with that, and just try to notice what's happening. What is happening in your body? Is there any movement with that? Is there any thoughts coming with that? How is your body? If you want, you even can have a video, have a selfie or videoing yourself while doing that exercise. So it's revealed. I've just saw also myself how I do say that with my body. Please do it for a few minutes and write down what you noticed for yourself. Keep your time, take your time for this exercise, because it's very important that you feel it with your body. It's not only a word. Okay. Breathe, shake a bit. All right. Deep breath. And now I invite you to say to yourself out loud and in your mother tongue, no. Na. Niet. Na. Notice what you're noticing in your body. Where do you notice it? How is your body while you're saying no? No. 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 All right. I want you, once you do this exercise, you just put on the video and take it at least for 2 minutes, and you notice, and then you can write it down in your journal. What did you notice? Is there a movement coming automatically, naturally with that? Yes or no for you? Okay. Now is actually, and many times we want to reverse it. Because I wish I could have said no. I wish I could have said yes. So that is an embodiment coming with this yes and no, that you can practice it in your muscles of your body, and once you practice it enough, so you have an access to that posture, to that position, also when you want it. You can actually imagine your own embodiment of yes or no. For example, imagine, for the sake of years we're taking no, you can imagine how I can embody no when someone come in the room, feels I'm a no, even when I don't say any word. You can a little play with that, but I'm also giving you two postures that you can practice that is automatically bringing more in the position of yes and no, and you can keep practicing it. And especially for those situations you maybe practice it in advance, or you visualize it while you need that and that situation. Are you ready? All right. So the first position is yes, the posture. That is will be. I'm going a little back when I'm at microphone. Okay, the posture of no. First, I want you to just stand equally on both feet, just neutral position. Just let every muscles hang. Neutral position, no tension. Try to soften up and relax the muscles. All right. Okay. Now we go one step back with any feet you prefer. We lay back, lean back actually a bit, also in our foot behind, and we open a bit our arms and our hands, and being also open, imagining that our heart is open, our face is relaxed. If you want, you can smile, and you are a yes. 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 So in the receiving mode as well. So there's also a possibility to practice in receiving. We can try play with that another feet, how it feels. A bit leaning back and then yes. Imagine, try to notice what's happening in your body while you're being in that posture. All right. Okay. And now posture for no, coming back in a neutral position. All right. Just the weight is divided by both feet equally. You are relaxed, the muscles are relaxed. Deep breath from the belly. And you come with one foot lightly forward and with the hands out. So you can imagine actually kind of internationally to understand. No. You push a bit, but not like they're pushing someone out of your space or like too much, but just like very comfortably. No. Do it a few times with me. And you can see the position situations, but you need that, and sometimes maybe you need it way more feeling your strengths as we did, like we really, I'm here, I have weight, this is my, if you want you can even go into sumo position, which is like bringing you in connection with your strengths and your weight. I can handle it. I can set my boundaries, and you come back, and from this strength, especially in the feet, in the lower body, and then from the center as well, you go no. The other feet, you can even play with that no. Okay. This is a very short instruction. I want you to practice it for yourself and taking your time. It's very important to notice what happens in your body once you're going to postures. Where do you feel it? Is there any tension? Is it anything you notice it? And then write it down, because these are all signals for you. What's going on in your body and what you need and how you can practice. Your body might feel uncomfortable because you might not have been in that position. So it's good to practice in a little, bringing it playfully in a position so the muscles can remember. Once they can do it in a practice at home, the body feels, I've been there. I can also do it in the situation I need. Have a beautiful time, and let me know if anything comes up for you would like to share with me. Stay tuned.